session is geared towards business owners, founders, CEOs, and senior team members. And the goal is to walk away with a one-page plan of the specific strategies that are going to be implemented for the success of the business in the coming 90 days, as well as the goals that the business wants to achieve in the coming year and beyond.
The quarterly strategic planning exercise is an intense full-day session where we're all challenged to expand our thinking. But not just expand our thinking, to use our expansive thinking coupled with tried and tested frameworks to ensure that we unlock the value in our businesses, our personal and professional lives.
It's amazing to see what starts off as a disparate set of people at the start of the day gradually transform into a collaborative space, a creative space where everybody challenges each other to think big, to think exponentially, and of course the networks that are built throughout the day and all the friendships that are built is wonderful to see by the end of the day.